Old Red got some brand new shoes. Folks, if you don't have one of these, get you one. Because a little bitty air compressor in one of these will make your life a gravy. It's a little 20-ton air jack by a Harbor Freight for like 60, 70 bucks, something like that. And they're pretty cheap. And will make your life simple. We got all red tightened up with some brand new rubber. So she got some new shoes on both sides now. We're gonna have to get out here and do a little maintenance to her here soon. Old Red, I say her, but I think it's more like a him because he's just tough as nails. 1954 and still starts every time.
Well, we're about to move her. Gonna park it here for now.
Get you up and running again. Six months underneath a pine tree, and this is what you get.
The city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race. What's next? I'm feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life is just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. After winter fly.
Close in the yard. Get the old, bring the batteries out.
Oh shoot, no I forgot.
Batteries to what? Blower batteries.
I gotta go get the blower batteries now.
See that? Really don't even need it. Nah. Pressure washers anyway. Pressure wash back.
There you go. Oh. Change your mind.
That's alright by me.
Alright.
I got everything that I need.
Let me go get her. Cluster mess.
A little bit. Look at that cluster. Yeah, do all that cluster just to clean the vehicle.
It needed to be done anyway, because both hoses don't need to be hooked to it, because I don't use both hoses that often, so. Discombobulated organization. Which way does it go, George? Hey, hey. Well, one advantage to a 150-foot hose is you don't have to listen to the washer where you're washing. And I don't think I have to explain the disadvantage.
Double down, throw some dice, take off now, don't think twice, but hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't. Come on now, don't you hesitate. Grab my hand, will we land? I got this champagne. I'll get back, get on track, jump on, grab this thing. Double down, roll the dice, take off now, don't look right. Hey, don't you want to say hey?
Should I say? She needs a transmission and a set of head gaskets, which we're going to be putting on real soon. And here's our transmission we got for it. And believe it or not, this is a rebuilt transmission. It's just been gotten really dirty, sitting out and sitting around crap. So, and then that engine there is it was taken out of that truck out there, a long way out there. So they're going to be putting a new engine in that soon. And as soon as he gets this Mercedes done, we're gonna start working on some of these other projects. Because this here is the master Mercedes guy, so we got him going on over here and working real hard and making it happen. So again, folks, Junk to Jams 3, if you like what you see, come see me. See you soon.